So a question we often get asked is, as a tenant, what do I have to do to exercise an option? So in a lease, usually you'll have a term of the lease, might be 1, 2, 3, 5 years long, and then you'll also have the option to extend that lease for another period of time. Usually, if you've got an initial term of 3 years, you'll have an option to extend that by another 3 years. If you've got an initial term of 5 years, you'll be having the option to extend it by 5 years. So to actually exercise the option, you need to read through the lease and read through the clauses in the lease that deal with the option. There'll normally be a period of time. Sometimes it's 3 months before the end of the lease. Sometimes it's 6 months before the end of the lease. Sometimes I've seen 12 months before the end of the lease. You've got to give notice, and there's usually a maximum period you can give as well to want to exercise your option to renew. So that's usually a notice, just a simple one-page form. But you've got to make sure that you comply with what the lease says, and you've got to comply with the notice requirements in the lease as well. So something that we do a lot for our clients, help them out, put together the notice, and make sure that it's exercised properly and all the right notice is given. After that, and the notice is properly given, then the landlord will come back to you. They'll normally want to talk about the rent. Often there's a market review at the exercise of the option. Sometimes you might agree to just a percentage increase at that point in time. Really, that's up to you. And from a commercial perspective, there's many ways to be right. And then you can proceed with the lease. So that's exercising option. It is a fairly straightforward process, but it's something that you want to make sure that you get right, because if you don't do it right and the landlord doesn't want you to stay, then they can deny you the right to extend the lease. So happy to talk to you if that's something that you want to run past us. As a lawyer, we do this all the time, and happy to help. Either put a comment below or send us a message. We'd be happy to help you. Have a great day. Bye.